I have a question for you today. Do you season your meat before you cook it or after? And no, this is not about food. Listen to this.
Telling people to shoot in Kelvin white balance on their camera is the dumbest thing I've ever heard. Let me explain what I mean. Now, shooting in Kelvin, sure, it has your place, but guess what? It's not going to affect your image quality in any way, shape, or form. The second that you import that photo onto a computer and use any sort of editing software like Lightroom or Photoshop and adjust your white balance, you just negated all the work that you did in your camera. You might as well just leave it on the auto white balance.
Now, that was a terrible advice. Don't listen to that. You see, when it comes to shooting, you want to get everything right in camera and not I'll fix it later in post. Getting your white balance accurate and right in your camera is ideal. That way, when you sit on the bench and you're editing, that is one less thing for you to worry about. If you've ever sat by a picture, looked at it and say, what else am I supposed to do? You composed right, your white balance is good, subject and everything is clean. What else do you have to do? That is one less picture for you to edit. In the words of a colleague of mine called Ben Bond, he said, as for the shooting, you will shoot. But when it comes to the editing, you know you have like 1,000 pictures for you to edit. And in every single 1,000 picture, you have to edit the white balance. That's a drag. So get it right. White balance will be one less thing for you to worry about. If you compose right, that'll be one less thing for you to worry about. Season your meat before. And when you're done, probably by the time that you're eating the food, you don't need to add any more seasoning. If that logic makes sense to you, please don't listen to their advice that you heard earlier. So, that's it for the day.